How to fix Snapchat error code C14A. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So C14A shows up when Snapchat can't complete your login. It's usually caused by network issues, VPN proxy interference, outdated app files, or Snapchat server downtime. Many users report that it fixes itself after a few hours if it's not on the Snapchat side, but I'll tell you how to exactly fix it sooner. So first, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong, reliable, and stable. You can also try turning on the flight mode on for 2 to 3 seconds and turn back it off. And if you're using any VPN or proxy, Snapchat often blocks this, so you can go ahead and turn them off. Another thing you can do is you can restart your app and phone. Completely close the Snapchat application if it is opened, and simple restart clears temporary glitches. Another thing you can do is you can update or reinstall Snapchat. If you want to update it, go to Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Search for Snapchat application, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. And in order to uninstall it, tap and hold on to this application, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. If it's a Snapchat outage, you just have to wait. And if it still does not work and the error persists for days, you can go ahead and contact the Snapchat support. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.